Hey guys, Levinrad over here. The number one question I get asked by people is how to create financial freedom. Well, I've got an event coming up very shortly. That's the Airbnb and short-term rentals bootcamp. And at this event, I'm going to show you multiple students of mine that have actually quit their jobs and have attained financial freedom. And the way they've done this is by buying and investing in short-term rental properties using the Airbnb program. The 3-day event that I'm holding, I'm going to be spending 3 days teaching you, number one, how to find and identify the types of properties that are going to work best for a short-term rental property, and then I'm going to show you how to buy these below market using private lender funds from people like myself, where you can buy, repair, rent, refinance. The only difference is that instead of putting a regular tenant like a Section 8 tenant in place, what you're going to do is you're going to turn it into a short-term rental, and you're going to be renting it out for 3, 4, 5 days at a time. The cash flow is going to be at 3 to 5 times higher. And as I mentioned, I'm going to have students of mine. In fact, I've got one student generating $50,000 a month just from his short-term Airbnb rentals, and I've got multiple students in multiple cities now that are doing this. We've been transitioning our students over the past 12 months based on the success that we've seen into these short-term rentals, right? So this is a good strategy to employ. Like on steroids, if you take the buy, repair, rent, refinance strategy, instead of putting a regular tenant in place, you put a short-term tenant in place. And as I mentioned, you get 3 to 5 times the cash flow. So it's a 3-day event. I want to see you there. I want to teach you how to do this. There's not a lot of seats left. Make sure you hit that button below, register for this event, and I hope to see you there.